What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to an update on Lever Finance. We'll talk about this bull run we've had, if we can actually still get higher or not. So let's get right into it. Lever Finance, first of all, it is it's quite a good project. I think the fundamentals behind it are great. It's a DeFi leverage trading platform, all right? So obviously the whole DeFi aspect increases its value, definitely after what happened with FTX. Now, something you should know for Lever Finance is, well, something you, it's something someone said in the comments yesterday, so I forgot your name, but thank you for notifying me about it. Is that something that is true, is that Alameda Research, well, obviously the same as FTX almost, actually held a lot of, where can we see it? Yesterday, I thought that yesterday it was still here. Yeah, all right. I couldn't zoom out for a moment. Yeah, ramp. All right. Lever Finance used to be called ramp. Alameda Research held some ramp. So that's obviously bearish. It obviously is, and that's why maybe we drop down. That could also be a reason for why we have this move. There's just some shady things going on. Even though I must say that Lever Finance is a legit project. So all of if this is manipulation, what it does look like, it's done by whales or by other institutions. Yeah, you can see Ramp DeFi has been rebranded into Lever Finance. Most of the volume, even though a lot comes from Gate.io, is solid as well. So now it's just about the price. Can we get up even higher? So what I said yesterday evening when I covered it is that I said, like, all right now our main resistance level is 0.21, 0.2 cents, this level. If we can break above that, we can actually get up to 0.24 and 0.25 cents. This is still true. However, I felt like I needed to make an update on that because the longer it takes, I think I said yesterday that we needed to do it in the next 24 hours. So we still have like, I don't know, 7, 8, 9 hours to do it, and we're dropping. That is because right here we had a lot of momentum. But that momentum is what we're losing right now. You can see that we're still above the 382 fib, but we are dropping down and we're not finding a lot of support there. So even though this is still very possible to break above 0.21 cents, followed by a move up to 0.24 and 0.25 cents, which would be my price target, the chances of it are less likely and less likely. Well, yesterday I thought maybe this was a 50% chance. Now it's already like a 15 or a 10% chance, like it's significantly decreased. You can also see in the 1 hour time frame, for example, that yeah, just consistently we have been finding resistance there. It's just too strong. There's not enough bullish momentum. So what I expect and what seems to be the most likely scenario, keeping in mind though that it's still possible to break above 0.21 cents, I think it's more likely that, you know, we might find some support at 0.18 cents at that 382 fib. But that we would then take a break retest and drop down lower towards 0.17 cents. Find some support there, but eventually drop down to my next support level between, I would say, 0.15 and 0.14 cents. So I should actually drag this down a little bit more. And I think this is a level where we can actually find some support and perhaps even some more bullish momentum, but that's something for the future to tell us. And the future me to tell you. So that's my take on the Lever this morning. Quick little update. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.